Hello everyone, I wish you were doing well and having a good time. If you don't know me, my name is Phaistos Crete and I am a YouTuber. I am living in Crete and I am making videos about Crete, about different destinations to entertain you. In today's video, we are going to visit a wonderful place that you are going to enjoy. Wait until we get there. Welcome back to the video, my dear friends. Right now I am at the Palace of Phaistos, which is the second famous place in Heraklion, Crete island. It is located in Heraklion. After the Knossos, it is the most famous place. As you can see in the background, we are in the middle of winter, but we still have tourists to visit this place. It is a valuable place to visit. If you are making your plans to visit Crete island, it is not only about the beaches and about the summer. There are too many other places, historical, that you can visit and you can enjoy being there. I am not going to talk a lot about this place or about the history of this place. I am going to show you some cool and awesome drone footage of this place. I wish you enjoyed the video and had some fun. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button, and if you want to watch more and more videos like this, You can subscribe to my channel. I will be making videos about Crete and different destinations in Crete to guide you and also to entertain you. Until the next video, peace.